All right, yeah, I want you to see something. We might have an animal serial killer on our hands. Remember the last place that I spotted the cat dog or whatever it was? Look what we have here now. Same MO, a dead animal, body part to the side. Looks like a geese, a Canadian geese or a duck. Actually, it's a geese, Canadian geese, from the beak and the feathering. Sad. It's really sad, and yeah, you can tell from the legs too. And whatever it is that's doing this decapitates part of the leg, especially, and the body and the head. Unsolved mysteries.